love our smartphones. We take them everywhere we go. They help us plan our day, keep in touch with friends and family, and for most of us, they even support our workday. But all these fun functions come at a cost. Battery. Don't you just hate it when your phone runs out of battery? Our current solution includes carrying around our power bank, plugs, cables, and everything else we need to ensure we don't run out of juice. Imagine if there was a smarter way to save your precious phone battery from running out all the time. Something lightweight and easy to use. Say hello to QIUB. It's the world's first revolutionary power bank that combines 3 features into one compact device: power bank, memory card reader, sync, and quick charging cable. You don't even need your USB flash drive anymore. QIUB turns into a memory storage device, and it's compatible with any laptop via the USB port. There's no need to carry around any other accessories ever. Cables are often messy, but not QIUB. Simply wrap it in its tuckaway slot, and you're good to go. How really does the QIUB work? Well, it's a simple concept. Just plug your QIUB into your phone and into the power source. It detects when your smartphone is fully charged and redirects the charge to its internal battery. Unlike your power bank that must be charged separately, QIUB automatically charges itself while charging your phone. So you always know that QIUB is there for you and will never let you down.
Hi, my name is Carying. As every busy person, I was often on the road, and almost every day my phone was running out of the battery in the afternoon. Instead of messy wires and power bank, I wanted to have only one small device that can replace the number of phone accessories I have to carry every day. When we started to think about the QIUB, we looked at the existing technology on the market, and we quickly noticed that most of the available devices were not complete and not user-friendly. Together with Pierre, our head designer, we developed the QIUB.
We went through several prototypes to find the best design for QIUB. A design that is elegant, compact and practical. It was so challenging to put all those functionalities together into a small and cool design with a significant battery capacity. It was something that had never been done before. But we made it, and we're so proud and excited to bring it to you.
QIUB is the world's first compact and lightweight device that combines the functions of a power bank, a memory storage, and a sync and quick charging cable. You'll also agree it's one of the coolest looking power banks around. Simply put, it's an amazing piece of technology that we can no longer live without. Let's bring it to the world.
So get yours now and be one of the first QIUB owners.